Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome out to another episode. In today's video, I'm going to be talking to you about how you can use ChatGPT to help streamline the process of internet browsing and getting information from websites. Now, this also comes with some really exciting news, which is that internet browsing is now enabled again for ChatGPT 4. This is huge news. Albeit it's going to be a little handicapped, but it's back, and this is very exciting news. For those of you who remember, or those of you who don't, ChatGPT 4 introduced the idea of web browsing into its ecosystem several months ago, and it was a game changer. For the first time, ChatGPT could access live data on the internet just by simply giving it a website URL to go to, and it could actually search and query that website for information. However, because we are living in a weird time right now, we are transitioning as a civilization to a new way of doing things. There is this awkward phase that we went through where people were getting upset because ChatGPT was essentially getting their information from their websites and passing it on to third parties, and they're trying to call that plagiarism. Although those of us who are working with AI and understanding how the implications of AI and how it works and operates, we understand that's not the case. AI is essentially just another person viewing a website, and but that person just happens to be incredibly intelligent with expansive memory and a higher cognitive function than ours by 40 to 50,000 times more efficient in its cognition. So we know that as the future progresses, we're going to have to adjust our expectations as a civilization about what the real value is of intellectual property when the AI can provide the most superior IP and essentially access all this information. Because in today's video is going to be a great example of why this technology is so powerful. Okay, so let me just dive into the specifics first of my use case, what's happening, and why I'm needing to use ChatGPT to help me. Well, I'm interested in attending this hackathon here by Spark. It's by Orlando Devs. I'm thinking about attending this conference. Now, as you can see, this website's got a lot of information on it, all these different dates and all these different types of things like this. So I tried to go through here, and I've been really busy the last couple of days, and having a hard time focusing long enough to really read all this and understand how it works. This is where you can use ChatGPT to exponentially increase your efficiency and productivity. So what I'm going to do is come to ChatGPT. I'm going to have my GPT-4 with web browsing enabled, and I'm just going to say, I need to ask you a few questions about this website, about this. So I'm going to come here, I'm going to grab my URL, come back to ChatGPT, and I'm going to go ahead and just paste it here. Now, what ChatGPT is going to do is, that's strange. Okay, that must maybe a glitch. Let me just see here. If I go here, what did I write? Sometimes it glitches out. You'll get that answer. Let's just see the difference in what my input was originally. Okay. So I said I need to ask you some questions about this. That's what I wrote. So it browsed it, and it says, it gives me a summary. The shared link leads to a page detailing upcoming events organized by Orlando Devs, a community-based nonprofit aimed at education and software development and the networking in the Orlando area. They have several events lined up for October 2023, including hackathons, meetups, entrepreneurship events. Feel free to ask any specific questions you have regarding this. So I asked it, what are the dates and times? Can I go for any, or do I have to be present for all days? What is the cost? Also, if I don't have a team, what exactly should I expect? And it says the events span from October 10th to 19th, 2023. Some events last multiple days, but you can choose which to attend. Costs vary, with some events being free and others paid. If you don't have a team, you'll still find opportunities to network, learn, and potentially team up with others on site. Detailed information about each event, including dates, costs, and what to expect, can be found on the provided webpage. Okay. Is there a way I can connect with other attendees online and possibly find a team? Yes, you can connect with other attendees and possibly find a team by reaching out to Orlando Dev's team on Slack or by email, as mentioned on the webpage. You may also find forums on social media groups related to the event where attendees are networking, forming teams beforehand. Okay. So you can see now I can ask questions about this. So now I can look at my calendar and be like, hey, if I'm available only if I'm not available like these few nights, what events would you recommend I attend? So I'm just going to tell it based on a summary, based on now I need you to look at my professional summary, www.edieboscana.com. Okay, I'm going to say, and let me know based on my goals and objectives which events I should focus on attending, assuming I can go any of those dates and times. So let's see how it does here. So now it's going to browse my professional website. It's going to get my knowledge or credentials, and then it's going to synthesize it with the information that's already collected and help me come up with a plan of action. So based on interest in AI, software development, networking, consider attending the Data and Tech for Social Impact Meetup, Social Impact Hackathon, and make me an itinerary. Certainly, here's a suggested itinerary. October 10th, quick pitch night with Orlando Innovation League. October 13th, Data and Tech for Social Impact Meetup with DataKind. October 14th through 15th, Social Impact Hackathon with DataKind. October 17th and 19th, Meta Center Global Week Conference. Okay, walk me through how to sign up for all of these in the most efficient manner possible. Okay. Go to event page, click on the provided links for each event, click on the registration process and respective event pages for paid events. Have your payment information ready. Okay. How much are all of those events on the itinerary going to cost? Okay, so it doesn't have that information. Do you have times and times for all of that? Okay, perfect. So that's how you can use AI to streamline your data collection processes, how to scrape particular websites or URLs for data, and then you can use ChatGPT to interact with that data and gather information or query the data as well. I want to thank you for watching. If you're needing help or you're interested in learning more about AI, I would highly encourage you to check out my website, my professional portfolio, which is EdenAGI.com. And yeah, we can connect on there, and if you have any questions, I can help you walk through how to use AI and how to do prompt engineering. Yeah, so until next time, everyone, take care of yourself.